Today we're going to talk about a common problem when learning English. Speaking clearly. Many of us know words and phrases, but when we speak, it seems like everything comes out jumbled and hard to understand. Has this ever happened to you? If so, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you a practical exercise that you can do at home to speak English more clearly and naturally. And the best part, you don't need anyone to practice with, just yourself. Let's get started. First, you need to choose some audio material that you can use to practice. This can be an English podcast, an audiobook, or even short videos with native English speakers. Choose something you enjoy listening to, because that way you'll feel more motivated to practice regularly. The important thing is that the material is clear and interesting to you. Let's say you choose a podcast about sports. Listen to a phrase like, "The team played exceptionally well this season." Then, pause the audio and repeat the phrase with the same intonation and rhythm as the speaker. This is the first step, listen and repeat. Now, here's a trick that really makes a difference, slowing down the audio. Why? Because by slowing down, you can capture every sound, every intonation, and every detail of how the words are pronounced. Often, we miss these details when the audio is too fast. This can easily be done on most video or audio players. If you're watching a video in English, try slowing it down to 0.75x. This will allow you to clearly hear the endings of words, like the ed sound in decided or the soft sounds in phrases like, "She walks to work every day." This small adjustment can have a big impact on your speaking accuracy. A common mistake many students make is trying to speak quickly. It might seem impressive, but speaking quickly usually leads to more mistakes. And the truth is, the more mistakes we make, the more they are repeated. The goal is to speak slowly and clearly, paying attention to your pronunciation. When you slow down your speech, you give your brain time to process the words correctly. Imagine you are practicing the phrase, "I often drink coffee in the morning." Speaking quickly might make you say something like, "I often drink coffee in the morning." But if you slow down and articulate each word, it will sound like this, "I often drink coffee in the morning." That's a big difference. Another important point is not to try to repeat long sentences all at once. Break them down into smaller parts. When you try to remember a long sentence all at once, it's easy to forget how it started. So, pause in the middle of long sentences and practice one part at a time. Listen to something like, "Yesterday, I went to the market to buy some fresh vegetables and fruits." Instead of repeating everything at once, break it down like this. Yesterday, I went to the market, pause and repeat. Then, to buy some fresh vegetables and fruits. Pause and repeat. This way, you focus on each part of the sentence. The key to success with this exercise is regular practice. It's no use doing this once and expecting miraculous results. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes every day to practice repeating phrases and words clearly. The more you practice, the more natural these phrases become and the better you get at speaking. Think of this as a workout for your tongue and mind. Just like going to the gym strengthens your muscles, practicing speaking slowly and clearly strengthens your ability to speak English confidently. Make this a daily habit, and you'll see significant improvements. Remember, improving clarity in speaking English is not a race, it's a journey. Don't worry about being perfect, focus on being clear. Over time, by practicing this simple exercise, you will see a big difference in how you speak and how people understand you. So, start practicing today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel, Hello My Friend, for more English learning tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.